Hello all. Today in this video we are going to discuss about term symbol. Okay, term symbol is a very easiest topic in coordination chemistry and it has been asked frequently in various question papers. If you take any question paper from csirnet, GATE or IIT JAM, definitely there will be a question from term symbol. Okay, that much important. Okay, so very easy also. See here, a term symbol is nothing but it is denoted by like this. Okay, 2s plus 1 L J. If you have J, it is known as term symbol. If you don't have J, only you are having 2s plus 1 and L, it is known as term. This is the difference between term and term symbol. Term symbol will contain J also, it include J also. Term will not have J, okay. First of all, what is this 2s plus 1 means? It is known as spin multiplicity, okay, spin multiplicity. 2s plus 1 means spin multiplicity, right? Then J means spin orbit coupling, okay, spin orbit coupling, right? That is L and S. Orbit means this is orbital angular momentum, right? Orbital angular momentum. Orbit L, S means it is spin means it is S. Orbit means L and hence it is known as L plus S coupling or spin orbit coupling. Okay, J is nothing but spin orbit coupling. Okay, these are all the basics you should know, right? So term symbol is nothing but 2s plus 1 L J, and this is all you would have studied in your lower classes itself. If you have the L value 0, then it corresponds to S orbital. If it is 1, then P. If it is 2, then it is D. And if it is 3, then it is known as F. Okay, this is all you have studied. And similarly, how can you find out the L means sigma ml, right? Sigma ml. See, if I give you an example, it will be really easy for you. See, if you are having P3, how will you draw P3? Like this, right? P means L value will be 1, right? Hence it is L. If L is equal to 1, then ml will have an plus or minus 1. Hence it is plus 1, 0, minus 1. These are all nothing but ml values. Okay, ml values. If you add these, this will give you L, capital L. Okay, if you add these values, then it will give you sigma L, right? Sigma ml is nothing but the capital L. That is what you are present. That is what is present in the term symbol. Okay. So in order to find out the L, you have to sum up the ml values. Okay. Now we have find out the value for L, right? For L, we have find out that the sigma ml will give that value, right? Now how will you find out this 2s plus 1? It is also very simple. See, for one electron, it will have a value of half, right? Because spin quantum number of an electron is half. So, if you have one electron, it is half. Another electron means 1 half plus half. Okay, sigma ms. Okay, sigma ms will give you S value, right? Similarly, here you have 3 electrons. So, if you add these 3, you will get the value as 3 by 2. S is 3 by 2, right? S is 3 by 2. 2s plus 1 means 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1. So, you will get 4. Okay, 4. Now, sigma ml value we got as plus 1 and minus 1, it will be 0. If 0 means, then it corresponds to S. Okay, yes. Here, we have find out the 2s plus 1 value as 4. Okay, yes, 4. If only 4 and S, that is 2s plus 1 and L are present, it is known as term. Now, we have to find out the J. J is equal to, here it is half filled, right? All these have one electron, hence it is half filled. So L plus S, because half filled and more than half filled, you should add these two values for spin orbit coupling. Hence L value is 0 and S value is 3 by 2. So you will get 3 by 2. This is how you have to find out the term symbol. Okay. If I give you another example, you will be very clear. See, for D2, what should you do? D means L value will be 2, right? So, L value will be plus 2 to minus 2, right? Plus 2 to minus 2. So, plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, these are all the ml values. You have to add these things in order to get L value, right? 2 electrons. So, what happens? 2 plus 1, it is 3, right? 3. So, L3 means 0, S. Okay, these are all spectroscopic terms. Okay, these are all spectroscopic terms. these terms, and L value means we are saying it is s orbital. These two are not same. These are all orbitals. These are all spectroscopic terms. Okay. After adding L, you are getting right. This corresponds to spectroscopic terms. 4 means it is G. 5 means it is H. These are all you should denote in capital letters. Okay. So now we have got as 3. 3 means it is F. Okay. F. So F. Now what will you do in order to get 2s plus 1 multiplicity? First of all, you should add these 2 electrons. 2 electrons means half plus half, it will be 1. S value is 1. 2s plus 1 value, it is 3, right? 3. Now we have got the term. Now in order to get the J, okay, J, here it is less than half filled. So L minus S. Here the L value is 2 plus 1, 3, and S value is 1. So we will get 2. 2 is the J value. Okay, this is the term symbol. This is how you have to find out, right? Let us solve these questions. See, it is very simple. The term symbol for the ground state of nitrogen atom. First of all, what is the ground state of nitrogen atom? Nitrogen atom is NS2 NP3, right? 2S2 2P3. NS2 no need to calculate because see here P3, right? If you consider this, the electrons get paired here, right? So this will have half and this electron is opposite, it will be minus half. So it is 0, right? Spin also 0 and it is present in s orbital. Then definitely it will also be 0. So no need to consider the s orbital here, okay? No need to consider the s orbital here. Directly for P3, you can calculate for P3. So already we have calculated for P3, right? It is plus 1, 0, minus 1. First of all, what you should do? You have to add these values, right? Plus 1 and minus 1, it is 0. The electrons are present in 3, present in plus 1, 0, minus 1. So you have to add these. Plus 1, plus 0, it is plus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1, it is 0, right? Hence, the L value is 0. Okay, L value is 0. If the L value is 0, then it is S. Okay, it is S. Now, what's the spin multiplicity? 2s plus 1. Here there are 3 electrons. Half plus half plus half, it is 3 by 2. So, into s plus 1, it will give you 4, right? 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1. You will get 4. Okay, so s power 4. This is L term, this is 2s plus 1. Now you have to find out the J. Here it is half filled, right? All the orbitals have electron, hence it is half filled. So if you have half filled, then L plus S formula. L is 0, S is 3 by 2. So if you add, you will get 3 by 2. Hence, the term symbol for the ground state of nitrogen atom is 4s 3 by 2. So what will be the option? Option D, right? 4 is 3 by 2. Hence, this is the option, right? This is how you have to find out. Next, this is very simple. No need to find out the term symbols and all. Just S and L values they are asking, okay? The S and L values for 15 nitrogen atom respectively. No need to confuse. See, in order to confuse, they have given it as 15. Okay. Actually, we are calculating the electrons, right? So number of electrons will remain the same. If it is nitrogen, definitely it will have only 7 electrons and it will have valence electron of 2s to 2p3. Okay, 2s to 2p3 configuration. So you will have valence electron of p3, right? P3. Hence, you can directly calculate the S value and L value from here. Okay, if they have given 15 nitrogen, you should not get confused. Okay. So see here it is P3, NS2 NP3 configuration. So for P3 configuration we have already find out that the S value will be 0 because plus 1 and minus 1 it will be 0, right? So L value is 0 and S value you have 3 electrons, so 3 by 2, right? 3 by 2 and 0. Okay, it is simple, right? Next, this question has been asked in June 2015. Okay. The lowest energy state of an atom with configuration NS1 NP1 has the term symbol. Okay, NS1 NP1. So in this case, what you should do is ns1 and np1. This is s and this is p orbital. Okay, this is p orbital. So only one electron is present in s orbital and one electron is present in the p orbital, right? So what will you do? You have to sum up all the values. See, in this case, L value here +1, 0, -1, right? S will be 0. So in order to get the term symbol L, you have to sum up the ml values, right? This is 0 and here it is 1. Okay, here it is 1. So L is 1. L1 means it is P. In all the options you are having P. Okay. So next, 2s plus 1. How will you calculate 2s plus 1? So you are having 2 electrons. Okay, you are having 2 electrons. So for this electron it is half, another electron. So half plus half, it is 1, right? S value is 1. Okay, S value is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1, you will get 3, right? So 3p is the answer. You can eliminate this option, right? 3p. Okay, so first of all, if you have two different orbitals, s and p orbitals, the pattern of doing the work is same. Okay, you have to sum up all the values. Okay, it is very simple. Now you have to find out the J value. In order to find out the J value, what's the formula? L plus S for half filled or more than half filled, and L minus S for less than half filled, right? So in this case, it is less than half filled, right? Because see here, p orbital is not completely filled and s orbital also having only one electron, right? So in this case, it is less than half filled. So L minus S formula you have to use. So L value is 1 and S value is also 1. So L minus S value will be 0, right? L minus S value will be 0. So the option will be 3p0. Okay, 3p0. Now see the fourth question. The term symbol for the first excited state of beryllium with a configuration. Actually, they have given the configuration also. This is the excited state, right? Because beryllium will have 1s2, 2s2, right? Now, this is the ground state. If in the excited state, it would be like this, okay? It will be like this. This is what they have given. 2s1 and, okay, 3s1, okay? They have given the configuration as 3s1. Right? Now you are going to find out the term symbol for this. What will you do? This is 2s and this is 3s, right? One electron is present here, another one electron is here. Now you have to add the L values. For S it is 0, right? L value will be 0. Here also 0. So you will have L value as 0. L value 0 means S. Okay? Yes. Now 2s plus 1 value. Here 1 electron, here 1 electron. 2 electrons means S value will be 1, right? Half plus half, it is 1. So S value is 1. 2s plus 1 value will be 3, right? 3. L value is 0, right? Now S value is 1. Okay. So L plus S, the value will be 1, right? 1. Hence 3s1 will be the term symbol. Okay. 3s1 will be the term symbol. Right? Now see here, the lowest energy term for D6 configuration. So they have given you as D6 configuration. So to draw the d orbital, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is 6. Okay. Plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So what will you do? If it is D5, then all would be cancelled. So in this case, you have to add all these value, right? Plus 2 plus 1, it is plus 3. And here also minus 3. One electron is present in the plus 2. So 2. D, right? How I am saying like this means 2 electrons are present in the d orbit. Plus 2. So it is 4, right? 2 electrons. 1 electron plus 2. 2 electrons, it is 4. Now 4 plus 1. Then here minus 1, minus 2. 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. 4 minus 2, it will be 2. Right? 2. Hence, D will be the right option, okay? So, you can eliminate this. Now, how many unpaired electrons are present? This is paired. Paired electron, this is half, this is minus half. It will get cancelled, it will be 0. So, no need to calculate the spin of this electron. Half plus half, it is 1. And here also, 4 electrons, right? 1 plus 1, it is 2. Half plus half plus half plus half, it is 2. Okay, so S value is 2. 2S plus 1 value will be 5, right? 2 into 2 plus 1, it will be 5. So D power 5. So this is the option. Okay, they have asked the term only, not term symbol. Term symbol means you have to include the J value also, right? Now see this question. The lowest energy state of 1s1, 2s1. Already we have calculated for 2s1, 3s1. Here it is 1s1, 2s1. Same value you will get. Okay, see here 1s1, 2s1. L value will be 0, right? This is 0, this is 0. So you will get 0. As a result, you will have S. Here it is half and here it is half. So S value will be 1. If S value is 1, 2S plus 1 value will be 3, right? So 3S, right? You can eliminate these two options. Now, L, these are all half filled, right? So L plus S value. L is 0 and S is 1. So what will be the option? It is C, right? C. See how easy these questions are. So in this case, for the D3 electronic configuration, the ground state term symbol is. So how will you? D3 means one electron, and here there is an electron, right? Plus 2, plus 1, 0. So you have to add the L values. Here it is plus 2, here it is plus 1. So 3, right? 3 means F. Okay, 3 means F. All these options they have given F4. Okay, F4. So no need to confuse and all. You have to see the J term, right? This is not half filled, it is less than half filled. So for less than half filled, you should use the formula L minus S. Okay, L minus S. L value is 3 minus S value 3 by 2, right? 3 by 2 because 3 electrons, half plus half plus half. Now 3 into 2 it is 6 minus 3, 3 by 2, right? So it is option B. Okay. This is how you have to calculate. Now again the ground state term of V3 plus. Okay, they have asked only term, not term symbol. V3 plus. Vanadium, the electronic configuration of vanadium is D3 4s2, right? 3D3 4s2. Scandium, titanium, vanadium. 3D3 4s2. So 3 plus means 3 electrons get removed. So here also 1 electron. So D2, right? D2. So D2 means again, see here, you have to add these values. Plus 2 plus 1, it is 3, right? 3. So 3 means it is F. Okay, F. Now you can cancel this option. These two, right? So it is F. You have 2 electrons. 1 electron, it is half. 2 electron means it is 1, right? S value is 1. 2S plus 1 value will be 3. So F3. Hence, this is the right option. Okay. Now, the ground state term symbol for P3 and D3 electronic configuration respectively. For P3, we have find out the answer as S4, right? Because P3 means plus 1, 0, minus 1. You will get cancelled, right? This plus 1 and this minus 1 will get cancelled and you will get a value as 0. L value 0 means it will be S. And 3 electrons are present, 3 by 2. S value will be 3 by 2. 2S plus 1 means it is 4, right? S4 for P3. Okay, for P3 it is S4. You can eliminate these two options. Now for D3. For D3, sorry, it is D3, right? D3, okay. Plus 2 plus 1, 0. So you add these, what will you get? 2 plus 1, it is 3. If L value 3 means F, right? F term. And you are having 3 electrons, right? 3 electrons means S value will be 3 by 2 because each electron half, right? So for 3 electrons it is 3 by 2. In 2S plus 1 formula, if you substitute, you will get 4. So it is F4. Okay, F4. So this is the correct option. The ground state of aluminium atoms. Okay, the ground state term of the aluminium atom they are asking. Okay, aluminium comes under boron family, right? Okay, boron family. So it will have Ns2 Np1 configuration, right? Ns2 Np1 configuration. which means NS2, it will get paired. No need to see this. So just directly look at P1. Okay, P1. So if you get the L value as 1, right? Because only one electron and that is present in the +1. So L value is 1 means P term, right? You can eliminate these two options. And only one electron is present. One electron means it is half. S value will be half. So 2s plus 1 means 2 into half plus 1. So we will get 2. So P power 2, right? Now you have to see the J value. Here it is less than half filled, right? So less than half filled means L minus S. Okay, L minus S. So in this case, L is 1 and S is half, right? Because only one electron is present. So it will be half. Hence the option will be A. Okay. This is how you have to find out the term symbols, terms and S and L values. Right? It is very easy topic. Whenever you have question from terms and term symbols, you can choose those questions and answer them correctly. Okay, it is a very easiest topic in coordination chemistry. So if you love this video, then kindly subscribe and share with your friends. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.